I appreciate that, man. I really do. Thank you.
What the fuck is John wearing? Is he trying to be hip? What the hell? Okay, I'm pretty sure the director's just sabotaging his own movie at this point.